Let's have a quick look at an Elddis, a proper Elddis, not a compass or anything else. So this is the Avante 860. Twin axle transverse bed, coming at 31,500. So I think Elddis for the longest time have gone with this kind of ash effect kind of wood. Now it's light. Our Swift Sterling was very similar to this. Something I meant to mention the other day, this shelf here doesn't have a lip, whereas on the Challenger it does. So you can put stuff, not that you'd have stuff up there when you're travelling, I suppose, so it wouldn't really matter, it's just an observation. Again, light interior, very light interior. What do you think about these cupboards that open this way? So I'm used to the Swift kind of opening that way. Do you know what? You know when you come in another caravan, you can't remember what your own caravan was like. I think ours opened that way as well. Ignore that. Black zinc is bold. Three burners and a electric. These are very handy. Maybe some people put wine in. Upkeep also, we've got something like this but with a door and like this really. And then we keep, well, obviously the table goes in there, but we keep all kind of stuff in there. Handy little cubby holes. The thing is you've so many that you forget where you've put stuff. Again, popular thing with family type caravans is you've got the shower and the toilet separate, which is, I suppose, ideal really when you've got 4 or 5 people in here. Well, look, I noticed yesterday, I'm not so keen on that arrangement. Oh, I thought that was a cupboard. It's a toilet roll holder. It's been a long week. Sliding door. Hi.
Yeah. Morning.
Morning. I just wondered if that goes that way, like the motorhomes.
Yes, it does.
So here's the back transverse bed. Not sure if that's fully out or not, but just noticed here this door is really cool. It's like toilet there, and if you want to section that off, you can. I've only ever seen it in motorhomes before, I think. Nice little bit of design. Looks like your TV mounts there. Again, they use different blinds. It's all about, they're fly screens though. It's all about keeping the caravan at a reasonable level, I guess. Very functional, very bright caravan. So again, that's the Avante 860. So it's 10 o'clock now. Public are in. I did want to get a few more done, but I had a as I said earlier, hopefully I've put this in the same vlog, but I was on the Best car stand, and that was a bit weird because the salesman were quite close to the caravan, and there I was just chatting to a guy from the Elddis Owners Club. Very interesting guy, he's just retired, and I got so busy talking to him that I didn't really get a chance to film anything else. There you go. I think this is probably long enough for one anyway. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you like, please thumb up. If you want to see a bit more content from me, it won't all be caravan reviews. I only come to the show once a year. So there's normal bits of caravan, well, I like to say waffle, but you know, entertainment, but not necessarily about actual caravans. So subscribe if you want to see a bit more from me. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Live from the NEC. This is quality caravan vlogging.